China just dropped an AI model that's free. It's massive, and it might be smarter than half the stuff you're paying for right now. It's called GLM 5.2, and the timing is wild because this dropped right after the US blocked some top AI models from being used in other countries. So basically, the door closed on one side, and China just kicked open a bigger one on the other. This isn't some little chatbot either. This thing was built to handle entire projects, big jobs, the kind of work that used to take a full team. So let me show you exactly what's going on and how something like this could actually run parts of your business for you. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's what actually happened. A company called Zai, also known as Jipu AI, released GLM 5.2, and the timing couldn't be more perfect for them. This came out right after some major Western AI models got restricted in certain countries. So while one door was closing, Zai basically said, "Here, take ours, it's free." And the market noticed. Their stock jumped hard the day it dropped. That's not a small reaction. That tells you how big people think this moment actually is. Now, here's the number that got me. GLM 5.2 has a 1 million token context window. And if that sounds like robot talk, let me make it simple. Context is just the AI's memory, how much it can hold in its head while it's working. A small memory means it forgets what you told it 5 minutes ago. A big memory means it remembers everything. The whole project, start to finish. 1 million tokens is a massive memory. Think about what that means in real terms. You could hand it every video you've ever made, every email, every post you've written, all at once, and it would actually understand your whole voice and how your whole business works. That's not a small upgrade, that's the difference between a tool that helps a little and a tool that actually gets you. Here's where it gets really interesting. This model wasn't built for quick little answers. It was built for long, heavy jobs, reading a whole pile of information at once, building things from scratch, cleaning up messy systems, the stuff regular AI tends to fumble halfway through. So picture this. If you run any kind of online community or get a flood of messages every day, normally a human has to read through all of them, sort them, and reply one by one. That eats hours out of your day. Now imagine an AI that reads the entire pile at once, groups the questions together, spots the people who are stuck and need help fast, and even drafts replies in your tone. Instead of drowning in messages, you're just checking and sending. That's the difference between support being a bottleneck and support running almost on its own. And it actually comes with 2 thinking modes, one called higher and one called max. Higher is for fast, solid thinking. Max is for deep, hardcore thinking when the job really matters. So think of it like a normal gear and a beast gear. For something quick and light, you use higher. But for the big stuff, mapping out a whole new system from the ground up, you flip it into max mode and it lays out the entire thing in one go. What used to take days of sitting there planning every single step now happens almost instantly. That's the kind of leverage that lets one person do what used to take a whole team. Here's another piece that matters a lot. You can actually plug GLM 5.2 into tools you're probably already using. It's not locked away in some separate app. It works like a helper sitting right inside your existing setup. And once it's in there with that massive memory turned on, think about what that does for content. Normally, turning one video into other content, a newsletter version, social posts, written recaps, that's hours of work for one piece. Now imagine feeding it one script and it spins out the newsletter, the social posts, and a few other angles, all from that one piece. One video stops being one video, it becomes a week's worth of content across everywhere you show up. And here's the part that's got builders excited. It says GLM 5.2 is going to be open sourced under the MIT license. In plain English, that means it's wide open, you can use it, you can modify it, you can build on top of it with barely any restrictions. That's huge for smaller teams and independent builders who don't have the budget for expensive closed-off tools. Now, I'll be straight with you. The rollout was happening in stages, so don't go telling people you can download the whole thing today without checking the official source yourself first. Things move fast in AI, and I never want you running on outdated info. So zoom out for a second because here's the real story. The AI race used to be about who has the smartest chatbot. That's all news now. The real race is about who can build the best AI worker, something that can read your whole business, follow your rules, and actually work through long, complicated jobs without falling apart halfway through. That's worth a lot more than something that just spits out a quick, clever answer. And the fact that this is happening in the open source world for free means more people get access to that kind of power, not just the companies with the biggest budgets. So here's my honest take. Giant memory, two thinking modes, plugs right into your existing tools, going open source, and it landed at the exact moment some other models got restricted. That's a perfect storm. But I'll always give you the real picture, not just the hype. The benchmarks look great on paper, but the real test is whether it actually holds up on real work, real projects, real businesses. And that's always where these things get separated, the models that look good in a demo and the models that actually perform when you put them to work. So keep an eye on this one, because if it holds up, this could be one of the biggest shifts we've seen in who actually has access to powerful AI. More options, more competition, that's a good thing for every single person watching this, not just the big players. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.